What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny, Birdy, Gator. Oh look you guys, the Super Pretzels are back. And yes, these are made by the exact same brand as Super Pretzels. Just flip over the box and you'll see J&J, I think it's J&J Snack Foods. J&J Snack Foods, which is Super Pretzel. And of course, there we go. So Super Pretzels, you can't find them anywhere else for as cheap as you can find them here. And speaking of finding things super cheap, look what's back, you guys, the protein shakes. These are just 2 Weight Watchers points if you're doing Weight Watchers. And yes, you guys, it's only 1 gram of sugar. Even if you get the Equate or Great Value multi-pack, you're still gonna pay $14 and some change for 12. So this is the cheapest place ever. We also have some nutritional shakes. If you're not doing Weight Watchers, this does have 15 grams of sugar and chocolate. And we also have coffee creamer here. This is the shelf stable coffee creamer. Here's a look at the nutrition facts. Not a whole lot of sugar, 5 grams of sugar. This is in hazelnut. And we also have some exciting new juices this week that are also 0 sugar if you're really trying to cut back on your sugar. We have the Vizu Sparkling Orange Mango. That sounds really good. We also have the Coconut Pineapple. As much as I love mango, I kind of am craving pineapple today. And then we also have the Kiwi Strawberry. Here is a look at the nutrition facts. 5 calories per serving. It has 0 protein, 1 carb, 0 fat. We also have a bunch of vitamins. It says serve chilled, refrigerate after opening, and made in the USA. I definitely want to try one of these out. They are 33.8 ounces. It's almost 100 degrees here today, and I'm just trying to drink lots and lots of water, but I kind of want to have something sugar-free that tastes good, because I've just been drinking water all day, and like that's the best thing to drink. But I want a little something extra too. I just found this one as well, you guys, the vanilla. Here's the nutrition facts. This is very similar to the chocolate over here. So we do have new drinks for the week. That's always exciting to find some new drinks, protein drinks, low sugar drinks if you're dieting or just like really trying to watch what you drink and eat for the summer. Okay, let's take a look down this aisle. And if I see anything new, I'll point it out to you. What's new in my store might not be new in your store. You guys might be like, oh, that's new, and maybe I've had it for a long time. You guys know how it is. Oh, these are cute. The Hershey's Kisses Blossom Cookie Kits. It's really heavy. You need butter and water, but it comes with this stuff here. The sugar cookie mix, the sprinkles, and the Hershey Kisses. Super cute by Betty Crocker. We also have some sugar-free French vanilla syrup, and we have a sugar-free salted caramel. Those are brand new, perfect for coffees. I don't know, what else would we use those for, you guys? Cane sugar, a whole pound. That's brand new for my store. I found some brand new high chews. I feel like I've seen them in the past, but the sweet and sours are back. The watermelon and grapefruit. Those sound really good. And once again, I have coupons that will make them totally free. Apple Bits, toasted oats, just our generics this week. Speaking of generics, if you guys love to shop at Sally's Beauty Supply, they have an amazing sale going on right now, a 4 for $20 deal. A lot of these items that are on sale are normally $12 and $13 each. I went and bought a lot of really nice hair products. Birdie's birthday's coming up, So I wanted to get some items for her, and I also got some items for me. But yeah, all throughout June, Sally's Beauty Supply is having a 4 for $20 sale. It includes really nice products for all hair types, regardless to what your race is. There are a variety of hair products. You guys know my house is multiracial, so I was able to buy hair products for everyone in my family right there at Sally's, and I'm just finally able to try some really nice products because the women that were working there today, they were so helpful and they were so nice, and they had some time on their hands, and I was really curious about a few products and they really helped me out. Like, it's kind of overwhelming, but yeah, you guys, anyways, I had to rant about that sale because it's such a great sale, and I think they only have it like 2 to 3 times a year, so definitely check it out. While we look at the snacks, this seaweed is so good, by the way, you guys. The organic seaweed, so good. I could just gobble it up so quickly. Oh my gosh, I had someone on TikTok request this so long ago. And this is my first time in over 6 months that I've seen it. My first time. It's been gone for months. And yay, I finally found it. Let's see. Ooh, it would be nice if some of those protein drinks were in the cooler. That would be really nice. What do we have over here? We have Sour Jacks in the little theater box. Skittles, are these the gummy Skittles? Oh, these are the Skittle jelly beans. Are they? Maybe they're not. What are these? Ooh. We have a brand new juice that has little bits of watermelon in it. We have mango and we have watermelon. And then we also have the zero sugar. Wait a minute, what? I have to try this. Are you guys serious? This is Adrenaline Shock. The flavor is cotton candy, natural caffeine, ocean minerals, electrolytes, muscle recovery, zero sugar, 0 calories. I'm gonna try this. It's cotton candy flavored. I've never tried anything cotton candy flavored before. Like, I've never had a cotton candy drink before. And then we also have the bubblies. It's nice and cold. We have the tahini, chili and lime, peach rings, cranberries. I think I'm gonna get a couple of bags of cranberries. Loading my cart up. Just loading it up. Lots of banana chips. All of the barbecue stuff. All nice and right here on this aisle. Oh, and these are back. You guys, these are back. I was telling you guys about these a few weeks ago, if you missed them. The peanut butter and berry flavored latte biscuits are back for dogs, and you already know these cost a lot more than $1. And on that note, you guys, I'm gonna stop right here and I'm gonna go start another Dollar Tree video. I'm almost running out of time though, because I have to head on over to Aldi here pretty soon to get some groceries. But yeah, you guys, that's it for me. If you enjoyed coming along, definitely hit the like button, share this video with a friend, and definitely join the family if you haven't subscribed yet. But all right, you guys, I'm about to be out of here, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.